This video we are going to cover conservative fields are gradient fields, loop property of conservative fields. Conservative fields are gradient fields. We are going to see statement of this theorem. Let f is equal to mi plus nj plus pk be a vector field whose components m, n and p are continuous throughout an open connected region D in space. Then f is conservative if and only if f is a gradient field. Means f is equal to gradient of f for a differentiable function f. Loop property of a conservative field. Theorem: the following statements are equivalent. Integral of f dot dr along closed curve C is equal to 0 around every loop means closed curve C in D. The field F is conservative on D. So we are going to prove part 1 implies part 2. We want to show that for any two points A and B in D, the integral of f dot dr has the same value over any two paths C1 and C2 from A to B. So this is a closed curve. This is point A and this point is B and this is from B to A. So we reverse the direction of C2 to make the path C2 from A to B. Together the two curves C1 and C2 make a closed loop which we call C. We know that the integral over a closed curve or closed loop for a conservative field is always 0. So integral of f dot dr along C1, integral of f dot dr along C2 is equal to integral of f of dot dr along C1 plus integral of f dot dr along minus C2 is equal to integral of f dot dr along C. So which is equal to 0. So integral of f dot dr along C1 is equal to integral of f dot dr along C2. Therefore, the field f is conservative on D. Now we are going to prove part 2 implies part 1. So we want to show that the integral over f dot dr is 0 for any closed curve C. We pick 2 points A and B on C and use them to break C into two pieces, C1 from A to B and C2 from B back to A. Therefore, integral of f dot dr along C is equal to integral of f dot dr along C1 plus integral of f dot dr along C2. So this can be written as integral of f dot dr from A to B and integral of f of dr from B to A. So which can be written as integral of f dot dr from A to B minus integral of f dot dr from A to B, which is equal to 0. Thank you. Link of PDF is given in the description.